Good morning, guys. As you can see, I just woke up because I am still in my PJ. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Guys, mwen fèk leve. Jon wè la, mwen gen pijama sou mwen. Et mwen woko fanyen. Anyen mèm. Wese dan, lave figi pou fanyen. Raison que moi venir devant la caméra sans beaucoup faire beaucoup même préparer pour journée, c'est parce que moi voulais montrer nous qui ça moi faire le matin avant de commencer la journée so m'a fait vraiment vite parce que moi j'ai moins de 30 minutes avant de commencer le travail. OK? Comment m'a fait ça? Dans 30 minutes? Ouf. OK, premier update. Premier update c'est que moi travaille la caille. Moi pas aller dans l'office encore mal travail. Et va me dire non guys, ça c'est pire bon bagage qui t'est arrivé dans la vie. Ouf. Travail la caille. I love it. So yeah, on a commencé journée. Let's go. No fucking way! Guys, it's snowing! Yo, are you serious? What? OMG! What? Oh my god, guys, this is excitement. This is so excitement. I've been watching. Toujours ap gade weather app m konen ke kile la snow. How did I miss that? I checked last night. Yo, pa konen le la snow, vre guys. Mwen cheke last night parce que chaque lem cheke, même cheke ke mwen li di li 16 degrés. M di 16 degrés, that's very cold. Ça vraiment fret. Mais pas de aucun bagay ki di la snow. Look. Yo, oh my god, it's snowing. If I knew the whole time that get a feel about longtemps pour me lever puis not mal de yo. It's snowing, guys, and I don't even know how long it's gonna last. Yo, the weather needs to let me know. Whew. I'm too excited, as you can see. Kade cheke m content. Wow. Mwen pat expect ça même, pat pense ça arrive même. Bon gade weather am konnen combien temps a fait. Cause parce que ma pa kon do combien temps a fait. But ma supposed to trust weather, yeah. The weather be lying. It's gonna snow for the next hour. I have to cancel my appointment. I need to cancel my appointment because I need to go enjoy this. Si le get fini, sa pa enjoy, li mpa preme sa. Oh my god. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. Why didn't they tell me? Look at this. Li get commencé snow depuis à 10h, oui. Pou sa m'a regardé depuis le me lever à. M'na cabane, moi m'a chill. Parce que pour chance snow atik là, il commence à snow pour un bon petit coup de temps. Bon, montrer nous, on va me retirer la caméra là. Non ouais? Non ouais parce que les guitares bien monté. Pour chance snow a bien monté là, ça veut dire que les gros bon petit coup de temps la fait. Bah les sauter dehors comme ça non parce que la frette bon me faire sortir quand même. Oh my god. Unbelievable. This weather app is too much for me. Like, you're not telling me when it's snowing. You know how much I love snow. Look, guys, this thing had water in it. It's forcing. Oh my god, it's snowing. Oh my god. Why didn't they tell me? I do not trust the weather app. I don't. I just don't. Look, Peanut gonna love this. Look at this. This is way better than the little snow we had last time. Le 30 novembre, te gon ti snow qui était fait tout petit, guys, tout petit. Et puis, de te sorti de yon d'aller enjoy li. Ça a pi plus. Il y a une temps encore pour les continuer à snow. Just prendre ti marcher dehors là pour moi je snow aille. Wè kon yam gen 11 minutes avant m komanse wè kliyan. Ok, so, pou m ban nou verite ya, mwen pa gen tan ankor pou morning routine nan. So, parfois tou m ba gen tan fè sa m vle fè yo. Ok? Pou m ban nou verite ya, jam toujou vle pou matin pase, li pa pase kon sa. Tout denye man yo, lem leve, mwen juste leve a lè pou mwen wè kliyan. Ok? Et ça va bon. M'a levé pi bonheur demain matin pour me montrer nous morning routine nan. Imagine aussi de lever pi bonheur jodi a, nous t'a gitan wè snow, nous t'a gitan préparer, nous t'a gitan à lever ti petit là pour nous jouer dans snow a. Mais anyway, comme yo dit snow a là pour une heure de temps encore, me souhaiter ça va changer. But même que pour une heure de temps encore, moi j'ai client back to back because I need to enjoy this. Moi tellement attendre snow, on y a laisse snow à venir. Les neiges la venir, c'est le ça. Moi j'ai client, not cool. Anyway guys, moi j'ai 9 minutes qui était mal préparé. So, bon, on courir aller dans bathroom nan pour me préparer. So, moi je vais mettre table là. OK? Et puis my chair. My chair gonna be here. So somewhere like this, pour client yo ka wè derrière comme ça. So, comme commencer travail, and go up still different. Je know well, like comme ça client well. Anyway, so this is gonna be my background. And I can watch the snow as I talk to them because the snow is right there. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna prepare him today. My little girl is gonna see snow. It's snowing, guys. It's not as thick as we want it to be, but it's still thick. It was more thick this morning, so I guess it's getting a little bit warmer.
Now we go to eat.
You eating the snow off this floor? At least eat this one. This one is cleaner. This one. Try this one. Take a little bite in this one. How does it taste?
Good.
Wait, I'm gonna take another video. Wait.
Yummy.
Yummy?
I got to bite it.
Oh my god, wait.
It tastes good.
You ready?
I taste it.
Yeah. Snow on me? That's not enough. Guys, I can't say this is her first time seeing snow because this is the second time. The first one was not a lot. This one is a little bit more, but still not enough. Come on, let's go.
Oh, look at my shoes.
Let me see. Let me see your shoes. Your shoes have snow.
They're on top.
There's a top of snow. Ooh. My hands are getting cold though because this snow is.
That's it. You really left your gloves.
I have my gloves.
Okay.
I just have to hold the camera, so that's why I'm not using my gloves. Did they already clean?
Yeah, they're
It looks like they already cleaned the floor. Or maybe the snow is just melting that fast.
Yeah, they're melted.
So, remember, so j'aime te dire nou que mwen gen client? Pas vrai? So, mwen te gen yon client à 11h, yon à midi. Et puis, sa midi à cancel. Tellement content. Monsieur a dit m'konsa que li désolé. I'm like, c'est bon Dieu qui voye ou pour ka cancel. But he's sick though, li malade. But we get to see snow because the snow gonna stop soon. So here we are. Yes! Yes, Kalia! You trying to eat the snow? Wait, let's do this. Woo! Yo, mwen telman surprise jan li snow jodi ya, parce que mon fò mal. But our hands be freezing though. Se men yo kap freeze, parce que kwa kouvri. Go in this way. Ooh, look at the rocks. You wanna play with the rocks? I gotta use both of my hands to take videos for you. When you have mangé snow de côté, on va say, our hands gonna be freezing though. I ordered some gloves. That's supposed to keep our hands warm, but you're still boko vini.
There's snow right there.
Yeah?
Let's go.
Let's go.
I want to see a snow.
Guys, don't put snow that bitan ale. Snow ala toujours. So you can make a snow angel. Sit down.
And sit down.
Yeah. You're winning it.
I say it gets cold.
Are you cold? Okay, I'll do it. Come. Hold the camera for me. Hold it like this. Your head must be freezing. And then...
It's your turn.
It is not enough to do a snow angel. But you're freezing.
Taffy, it must be your leg.
I did. I opened my legs and everything. Oh, look. It is an angel. Let me see.
I want to do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
But you're freezing.
No, I want to do it.
Okay.
Down.
Not enough snow.
Look, it's a star angel.
It is the snow angel. Oh, Pina, let's go get our packages so we can go inside the office because my hand is freezing. Actually, I can't move there. So, nous venons dans le gym là. Nous avons un petit chauffage. Parce que dehors, fret. Mais nous sommes presque. Je ne sais pas comment expliquer, guys. Mais, essayez de mettre mes dans frigidaire. Not even frigidaire, freezer. Ça qui est en net là. Essayez de mettre mes dans freezer pour un petit coup de temps pour voir comment on a senti. Et comme ça, on va sentir mes encore. Tout sang yo vient on genre séché ou bien vient glacé, vient frozen et puis faire mal. Okay? So pas courir entre un côté, guys. This is dangerous. Like, this is very dangerous. So nous courir entre dans le gym là pour nous avoir un petit chaleur là, un petit chauffage là. Chauffage or chauffage? Marrone, I don't know. A little bit of heat. I came here to get a little bit of heat because outside is too much. This little girl over here too, working out. Let me see you. Is this how you get some heat in your body? Do it. You need help? Oh, you're doing it. Okay. You don't need help. Kita sentir mieux, kita sentir way better. Même t'es rouge, ça a été rouge. Ouais, qu'on est angry d'amour. It's my turn. That's better, guys.
Huh? Sit there.
It's so cold outside.
Oh, it's cold. That's good. Okay, no more. No more. Enough. Enough.
Enough?
Enough.
Okay. Let me have it. You said no more, but you're gonna go there? Okay. Whew. Guys, snow a bel vre, li fan, men sou ba abye pou li, wap soufri. Wap soufri a pil. So guys, we came here to drink some tea because outside was too hot. I'm in my leasing office right now. It is so pretty.
Selena,
Here's your popcorn.
Thank you.
Be careful. Oh, good job. Good catch. Let me have some. So we get popcorn. She got some. That's
Patty,
some
I get it.
That's apple cider, and I have
Patty,
coffee.
I got it.
Yeah, you got it. You did a good job. This is the office.
I am setting it. I am a big setting.
You're a big girl.
I am.
You got a little Christmas tree.
Look at you.
You got me?
Yeah, I got
I'm in there.
you in there.
Coffee is not too bad. It was very watery. The watery on peel.
Look at the
But it
hot
tastes good.
water. And look at hot water. Then you drink it.
Ooh, where did she get you?
Let me put it under here.
Cute. Let me see it. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you. She said thank you. You want?
Oh, look like.
You see it?
I see it. Thank you.
Não é como ela manja snow, yo. É como ela manja snow, yo. Se o mundo vai. Não souhaite baguette. Não souhaite snow ça au clean pour manger. Vous savez que les gens vite l'arrêter pour manger snow. Quand est-ce qu'on va là? Gardez. Peanut, let's just hold this snow clean for your sake. But don't eat the snow when it's close to the. Whenever it's close to this, don't eat it. Only eat the one at the top, okay? Okay? If I'm not telling me snow, I'm going to keep one kids live so much snow. Whatever she be watching.
Right here.
Right?
Where's it going?
Guys, don't get to do you encore.
Where's it going? Look
It's Madam Savin manger snow. How does it taste?
Good.
Good. You want some sugar to go with that? You know, a little bit of sugar,
Let's see good.
maybe salt.
Maybe side.
Snow a fini. Si ou et gen ti bagay kap tombe toujou, c'est juste vent. Gon ti vent de a tout petit. So, snow ki rete sou pied bois ou bien le moun yo ap clean, parce ki ap clean street la. Yo retire tout nyès yo a te ya. Peut-être, you know, pou moun ba tombe. So, sou et ti bagay kap vini toujou, c'est juste vent kap pousse tire snow qui sous pied bois ou bien whatever. Mais snow a fini, mais il est vraiment frais dehors. So,
Why are you?
j'ai l'impression ça c'est tout et vidéo m'a fait aujourd'hui. So vidéo aujourd'hui elle pas tellement longue. Moi gen li qui est, moi 2h30. Let me double check. I'm checking. Oups, 2h38. Li 2h38, but no, moi gen client à 3h et puis moi gen à 4h. Et puis après ça, moi j'ai rejoindre. So, nous allons courir entrer en dedans, nous allons faire un petit bagage comme son petit snack pour nous manger. Et puis nous allons client à 3h à 4h. Et puis après ça, m'a fait go manger pour nous manger. Même fret. Okay, I think it's time we go inside, Kalulu. You ready? No. No? Eh, m'a quitté dehors. Ou mettre rester dehors pour qu'on tout. So, you ready to go inside? Yeah, finally. So guys, moi crois ça c'est toute vidéo parce que m'pas besoin de mettre l'autre vidéo encore. N'a pas encore demain.